looking at your journey has been inspirational to me as well. I mean, I always cried on the last shot.
Yeah, I know. ऋतिक रोशन को रुलाना इतना आसान नहीं होता लाइफ में वैसे. मेरी किस्मत मेरी जर्नी में लिखा है कि भाई तू एक काम कर, ऋतिक रोशन के पास सीख हर फिल्म में और उससे ना पैसे मांगते रहा कर. वो देता भी है.
Guys, I am in conversation with Vinod Rawat. He is the incredible director of this incredible film called Pushteni.
उसने निभाया कभी अपने बाप का फर्ज. कायर था मेरा बाप, हुआ कायर.
क्या हुआ था उनके साथ?
पता नहीं यार क्या हुआ.
You came to me during the COVID, right?
Yeah.
मुझे तुमने ये जो जर्म था, वो स्टोरी का जो जर्म था, उसका जो एक स्ट्रक्चर है, बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर,
Not even a full.
वो सुनाया मुझे.
Yeah.
मुझे उसमें कुछ अच्छा लगा था.
I know.
मतलब इसमें कुछ बात तो है.
बाहर बैठे हुए थे हम दोनों.
हाँ,
Yeah.
in the balcony.
In the balcony.
I said, "This something is there in this," and I was not being completely honest, but I wanted to tell you at that time that I think you've gone mad. Okay, you want to actually go ahead and make this film without funds.
Yeah.
COVID times,
Yeah.
can't pay actors, so no actors. And you said, "I've got my family, I'll make them act."
Yeah.
मैं बोला ये तो completely home video होगा ये कोई.
Yeah.
But I wanted to keep you empowered from my side as a friend and a collaborator. I said, there's something that he wants to do. I think he should do it. And as a friend, I did not know what is the right advice. कि मैं तुम्हें रोकूं या मैं तुम्हें बोलूं कि रुकना मत, ये कुछ है इसमें. And I think my instincts took over. And I said, you just go for it. Do it. But there was a part of me जो I was keeping to myself कि ये this is not a logical good decision financially and all other ways. Then what happened?
आप ये बोल रहे हो your heart, your subconscious helped me so much. Your logical mind, maybe you're not aware, but you gave me 4-5 pointers that time. No, this stone thing has to happen. Remember stone वाला thing? It's आपने बताया था. मेरे पास नहीं था ये catharsis stone का movement. You told me about it. And that scene, drunk scene.
Yeah.
It was not there in the script. There are 3-4 pointers, and then say, he is so invested.
No, I was inspired.
Deep
I
down,
was inspired by
you
the germ.
really want. Okay, logical mind से कैसे करेगा? But you know, now I'm just saying this word called underdog. Like deep down, you really want me to win.
Yeah, I'm very
You
inspired.
really want me to win. And there are so many people while making, they're saying logically it's not possible, but we really want him to win. So मैंने कहाँ बनाई वो फिल्म? Every time, like you, like so many people, and I'm saying, it कर क्या रहा है? Why? मैं हल्का हूँ, ये मेरे से ज़्यादा भारी क्यों? ये क्यों चाहते हैं कि मैं फिल्म बनाऊँ? Logically they are saying, but emotionally, deep down they say कि तू करेगा ना, हमें लगेगा हम जीत रहे हैं.
No, but you were leading it, and I think somewhere the universe was helping you.
And all these people, deep down, like you really want कि यार इसका ये बनेगा ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
But when I told you, when you came to my house during COVID, you didn't have the money, you didn't know how to make the film, and I said, Vinod, I want to be a part of it.
Yeah.
How can I help?
But it's my journey.
So, why? Why were you so adamant कि मुझे ये करना है? Or was it your honest self, the honest part that you were saying, that it comes from your father? The honesty in you, perhaps, now this is my assumption. The honest part was saying to you that, यार इस वक्त I can do this. I'm not going to jump and ask for help. इस वक्त जितना है उतने में मैं कर सकता हूँ और मैं I'm going to go for it. And you said also that if I do need some help at some point, I'll come to you. So am I right in saying this?
Absolutely. And you help, no? If that money is important or right now what you are.
At that time, I was helping you as a collaborator and as a friend.
I know that.
Today,
I know. You just told
I
me.
am not helping you.
I know. You told me, विनोद, अगर तेरी फिल्म अच्छी नहीं होती ना,
तो कुछ नहीं होता.
मैं नहीं आता. तू सोच रहा है मैं तेरे लिए आया हूँ, मैं पुश्तैनी के लिए आया हूँ, क्योंकि मैं उसमें हंसा हूँ, मैं उसमें रोया हूँ, मैंने बहुत मज़े लिए हैं.
So I must say this also, we haven't come to it only. When I saw the film, I loved it so much. I liked it so much that I wanted to know whether I'm right or wrong. For the first time, I thought, am I biased? I was expecting nothing at all, and that's why I am shocked. Then when you got the accolades that you did with
Yeah.
the Mami
Yeah.
screening
Yeah.
and the other festival,
Yeah. In the meme festival.
that's when I said,
Yeah.
my instincts are correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is genuinely a very good film.
Yeah.
I mean, I always cried on the last shot.
Yeah.
Of the film.
I know.
It's just beautiful. It's just.
ऋतिक रोशन को रुलाना इतना आसान नहीं होता लाइफ में वैसे. I know.
But you managed, man. It's amazing.
Okay. मैंने कितनी बार देखा है. How you keep telling Ridan and Riyan कि ये करो. Don't think about the result. You will fail. Definitely you're going to learn something. Remember that race thing you talked about?
Yeah. We put that dialogue in war as well.
ये तो मैं सुन रहा हूँ ना आपके सामने. आप अपने बच्चों को बता रहे हो, चीज़ें कर रहे हो. And I connect with that, no? And is this film is my life? No. But there's a bigger learning I can learn, no? So, let me fail.
That's very important.
I learn something, no? Otherwise, if I take the money from you, then I know कि मैं कर तो रहा था, but फिर ये इन्होंने मेरी हेल्प की, तो मेरी हो गई. But then मैं कहाँ अपने हिसाब से मैं कर पाया?
Yeah. वही तो बोलते हैं कि जब छलांग मारने का जब टाइम आता है ना, don't put the safety net. Without the safety net, you will.
Otherwise,
You'll
how
get-
I'm going
you'll
to
get
enjoy,
across.
Hrithik?
How does it feel now?
Not about the film, about myself. I am feeling that I'm on a right track. मेरे पुश्तैनी खून में, मेरे पहाड़ी खून में कहीं ना कहीं ये fearlessness जो मैंने अभी चखा है, मुझे ऐसे बहुत पुश्तैनी बनानी है, लाइफ में इम्प्लीमेंट करना है.
I have a feeling you're meant for this. You're meant for something greater. And I am really, really proud of you, man. Really happy that looking at your journey has been inspirational to me as well. Because somewhere inside me, I've also fantasized to be able to direct a film.
Yeah.
And I know how difficult it's. Once you take that leap, it becomes easy. But to get to that leap, it is not easy. When I see the film, I see ease, I see confidence, I see कि इत्मीनान से किया हुआ है. There is no shot in the film where you're trying to project and you're trying to sell, you're trying to get your point across. The whole film is just being, and it's a voice, and such voices need to be heard, they need to be seen, which is why I think I am getting an opportunity and a chance to actually be a part of something that I truly believe in as a student of cinema, that independent films are so important and crucial to our industry, to the future of filmmakers. Every single voice needs to be heard, and we need to, I think, support this not just as filmmakers and collaborators, but also as an audience to go and see such films. Recently, I heard of this amazing news of Payal Kapadia's film that had won the Grand Prix in Cannes. What a delightful piece of news! It makes you so proud, and it adds to our cinema and where we are from. So I hope that this journey of yours, the film, and your personal journey of how you accomplished this film goes a long way in inspiring other filmmakers, other collaborators, other people who can support, and the audience, to support such films and to go and watch these films. That's my prayer. Pushteni ka significance kya hai? Why Pushteni?
You know, when you write a script, you actually find yourself in it, your journey. And I found this pattern of honesty and fear from my ancestral.
Interesting.
So my father, I think big takeaway is honesty. बचपन से ही जितनी चादर हो बेटा उतना फैलाओ, नहीं चाहिए हमें ज़्यादा, जो मिला है उसको अच्छी तरह करो. But I got fear from my father also. A guy came from Uttarakhand. बाप नहीं है, माँ गांव में है, और ऐसे दिन देख रहे हैं जब वो बोल रही है कि 3 भाई बहन हैं, भाई सबसे बड़ा, 2 बहनें, और जब दादा थे तो पापा के पास घोड़ा में चलाते थे. अमिताभ बच्चन जो बेल बॉटम पहनता था, मेरे पिताजी वो पहनते थे. और जैसे ही दादा गए, परिवार वालों ने चीज़ें जो होती हैं कैसे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके हड़प लिया. और एक दिन मेरी दादी बोलती मेरी बहनों को, मेरी बुआओं को, क्या कर रही है तू? अपने भाई को देख कैसे सूखी रोटी लेके खा रहा है, तेरे को हर चीज़ समझनी चाहिए.
Wow.
उस स्पेस से मेरे फादर 18 साल में माइग्रेट हुए, क्योंकि वहाँ तो सर्वाइव करना बहुत मुश्किल था. एंड देन ही फाउंड हिज फैमिली. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस fear to protect the family. On the other hand, my dada was like fearless.
Your dada.
Yeah,
It's your father's father.
yeah.
So you're attributing your fearlessness to your genes, not genes that passed a generation, skipped your dad and came into you.
I think so. But the honesty part comes from my father.
Yeah. No, I understand that. I think our generation, our fathers came from a place where they had to have that fear. वो जायज़ है. That fear was protection, that fear was motivation, that fear was painful, but it taught us all the things that.
ऋतिक, आज मैं यहाँ नहीं बैठ पाता अगर मेरे
सही बात
फादर,
है.
मैं यहाँ नहीं बैठ पाता.
I agree with you. लेकिन I also feel that it is up to us, our generation, to go beyond that fear now, which I think you have done so fantastically. But idea तो सबके पास होता है यार. I have heard such amazing ideas, but to turn that into a watchable, engaging, inspiring film is a completely different skill. Okay, so you really have somewhere achieved the unthinkable, at least for me. Because when I look at you, I don't think you can do it. But I've seen your film now. I'm like, ये तो कर दिया इसने यार. ये कैसे किया? ये कहाँ से आया? The music, the locations, Uttarakhand, all the performances. So who all from your family who all from your environment, your friends and family have been a part of the film?
There are loads of people out there who taught me a lot. But when I came to Bombay, I assisted Atul Mongia in casting. My FTI journey is beautiful. Like, I've learned so much from my teachers, but my mahal, my colleagues, my seniors, they taught the same thing.
There is a very good phrase that goes, which I believe in, that there are no bad actors in the world, just bad casting. So a good casting director adds a lot to a film.
With Hansal sir, I worked with him 3-4 films and acted in
Hansal Mehta.
Hansal Mehta. Then I've learned from Ram Madhwani. I think the prep part, राम बड़ा ही अच्छी बात बोलते हैं कि कहते हैं कि ना शूटिंग जो है ना एक बेटी की शादी की तरह होती है. तो जैसे एक बाप और फैमिली 6 महीने तक उसकी तैयारी करते हैं ना, then you should enjoy the शादी.
Celebrate. That's on set.
On set.
Yeah.
But
We have to
before
take care of the
that,
guests.
yes, 6 months you have to prep to the team. So the preparation part I've learned from Ram.
I like the part where you said the on set needs to be the celebration.
Absolutely.
Where you're actually taking care of everyone also.
Absolutely.
And you're the leader and you're celebrating it. Wow. That's difficult. That's really coming out of love.
Yeah.
You know, and not fear.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
still I think I'm okay. I'm not a perfectionist like you, and I'm saying इतनी मेरी बस की नहीं है, but जितना सीख सकता हूँ, let me use it, and I'm using it. And मैं हर जगह बोलता हूँ मेरे को एक्टिंग कोच बना दिया है, but मैं तो सीखने के पैसे लेता हूँ. That's my takeaway.
That's sweet.
Yeah, but that's my truth. That's my truth. मैं सीखने के पैसे ले रहा हूँ, और मेरी किस्मत, मेरी जर्नी में लिखा है कि भाई तू एक काम कर, ऋतिक रोशन के पास सीख हर फिल्म में, और उसने पैसे मांगते रहा कर. वो देता भी है.
You know, in your environment, who are the people you went to ask that, you know, act in my film? Your friends, your family, all non-actors.
Yeah.
How did you make that work?
I think I'm one of the best acting coach, so I know the craft.
I can second that.
Yeah, I can make them act for sure, but
You were sure.
actually I'm not. I was not sure. You're right. I was not sure. So, but
But you had the confidence that you will achieve something.
first the problem is not the confidence. First to convince them.
Acha.
That is the biggest problem, right?
Acha, they
But-
were not convinced only.
Obviously. Why? They don't want कि हाँ मुझे acting no. They are scared of वो फोटो खिंचवाने से डरते हैं लोग. कैमरे के
बाप
आगे
रे.
इमोट करना
फिर?
तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So again, problem with convincing my sister. She's an accountant. Acting का कभी लेना देना नहीं. My जीजा is a LIC
They are
agent.
brilliant in the film.
My niece
Absolutely
student.
brilliant.
My father at the end. Biggest problem, Hrithik, my bua. Just imagine they are living in a city. My bua, you go from here, you go to Uttarakhand, city, Almora. Then you go to Bageshwar. There is a small city. Then from there, you have to go 10-20 kilometers up in a jungle
Hmm.
in which you have 5-6 houses. वहाँ पे एक औरत रहती है, मेरी बुआ. एक्टिंग तो बहुत दूर की बात है, हिंदी बोलना नहीं आता उसको. Now the gut feeling saying
Your bua is the one who's played your
bua.
your bua in the film. Ah, yeah.
मैं पैसे नहीं.
The one who has to sign. हाँ.
Now वो तो प्रॉब्लम है ही है. तो मैंने कहा कि यार बुआ कर दो. अरे यार मेरे को हिंदी बोलना नहीं आता यार, मैं नहीं कर सकती यार. कर दे, कैसे कर दो यार? बुआ कर दो प्लीज. नहीं यार नहीं कर दे. नहीं आउट. ओ शूटिंग का समय पास आ रहा है, कैसे होगा? अरे नहीं यार देख तू कुछ और कर यार, तू खाना खा ले.
तेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, तेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, तेरे एक्टर्स बोल रहे हैं मेरे को नहीं करना है, और तू बोल रहा है प्लीज कर लो. So you know this whole thing can be a comedy film by itself.
Yeah. Then one tool always works. Emotional tool. At the end you go, बुआ मैंने तो सब लगा दिया है, तू नहीं करेगी ना, मैं बर्बाद हो जाऊंगा. अरे यार कहाँ फंसा रहा है यार तू यार,
How sweet.
तू बर्बाद हो जाएगा यार. वो मेरे को बर्बाद कैसे होने देगी? वो मुझे बर्बाद नहीं होने. क्या करना है यार? वो ये करना है. हमने सोचा चलो अभी सब सही है, बट ऋतिक उससे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम. हमें लगता है एक अंदर कन्विंस हो गया, अब वो करेगा. बट आप बर्बाद हो जाओगे ठीक है, उनके बच्चे पता है कौन है? उनकी बकरी, उनकी गाय, उनके खेत, उनका घर, उसका एक टाइम है.
टाइम देना है उनको. हाँ,
आप कुछ भी कर लो,
वो नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
वो नहीं हो सकता. टाइम वेयर वी कैन शूट इन द मिडल.
तो तुम ये बोल रहे हो कि क्योंकि तुम उन इंसान की जो कहानियाँ हैं, पर्सनल लाइफ स्टोरीज, because you knew their personal life stories, you could extract the characters, emotions and lines from them.
I think the magic, if we talk about, I can't
तो
get.
इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब ये है कि anybody can be a good actor if you are connected with your experiences in a way where you are aware and you can, you know, access. So that requires a lot of silence, meditation to like find, you know, those counter emotions or the emotions that coincide with what you have to do. I think this is a great thing for people to hear, because I think what happens is that people लोग थोड़ा confused हो जाते हैं, तो थोड़ा distract हो जाते हैं when they think of actors, क्योंकि उनकी जो instinct है वो जाती है स्टार पे. कि एक्टर मतलब स्टार मुझे he'll walk like that, he'll talk like that, he'll wear these clothes, glasses, attitude. वो एक्टिंग नहीं है. मतलब एक्टिंग है बट सिर्फ वो ही नहीं.
सिर्फ वो ही नहीं बट आप तो बन गए. Why still you are working with an acting coach? Why still you are working every day in your craft?
क्योंकि मैं बोर हो गया था. मैं अपने खुद के एक्सप्रेशन से मैं बोर हो गया था.
You want to explore?
I got very tired. I knew ये शॉट है, कैमरा वहाँ है, एक्सप्रेशन नंबर 32A दे दो. So after Mohenjo-daro I felt that और मैंने बोला कि अब बंद. I don't want to do this anymore if I can't grow in it.
So deep down, you are looking for magic, right? A different kind of magic. I think when anybody can be an actor, but you have to keep practicing.
Yeah, but yeah, it's been an incredible journey for me, and it's very inspiring to know that there is always more to life. Looking at your journey, I feel very inspired कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. बढ़ते जाओ और take that leap without a safety net and see what happens. The universe is there to help. We are here to announce that the film Pushteni is releasing on the 21st of June. So please go do watch in theaters.
Please, it's an honest film. It's coming out of your fear.
You don't need to say that. They're going to love it, I'm sure. Go watch it. Trust me.